It was a fun experience because we all love films and we've all watched previous Park Chan-wook, and we believe that this is different from his previous films in a good way and very smart and curated lahat ng shots, and it was a nice experience for us to be here. It was so well done, like parang it wrapped everything that the film tackled, and also made a beautiful wrap up on all the characters, all the what happened in the entire film. So the ending was actually perfect for us.
I think you like compared to like other type of like other comedies or other comedy. I think because it's more very deliberate in its message talaga, like about capitalism and everything. Like it's so cutthroat in the way it talks about it, as in talagang like every scene, every shot, even till the ending. Talagang you know what he's talking about. You know what they're parang ganun. Ikaw.
Ayun din, yung una ko nga sinabi sa kanila after nag-finish yung film is that every shot and frame is so calculated. My favorite shot ko from this year so far nanggaling dito sa film na to, but we won't spoil it and you should watch for yourself.
I think it's the kind of film you need to see right now.
Yeah, it's the kind of film you need in this day and age, in our generation, in this workforce that we are in. So you have no other choice but to watch it in cinemas.